Hey there, this is the Failed Life. Why I'm this dressed up? Cause I just had a meeting with the Polaris School of Technology, Bangalore, and at that whole meeting, I have learned some things. I have experienced something. That's why I'm here to tell you about that. So basically, they've organized a meeting, just to facilitate the children or to just to facilitate the people who had made it to the national level science exhibition competition, right? And I was also a part of that. So I just joined the conversation. I have attended the meeting. They also, told me to speak up my words, to speak up my thoughts. And while doing that, while just interacting with them, interacting with the people, interacting with the executives of the school, like I felt a little confidence in myself. Like I felt like no, like there must be I have lost something in my life, right? Like there must be like I have experienced the worst downfall of my life, but it's not the infinite thing, right? It's not the completely thing. Maybe I have lost something, or maybe we all have lost something, but that doesn't mean that our real passion, our real things, or we have fallen completely, right? So why I'm shooting this video, right? Just I had a thought that just when I want to speak this thoughts out to someone, but I had no one with me, right? So just I'm telling this to the camera and maybe going to post this as well. Yeah, like I am going to post this. So it seemed like good, yeah. Like I it seemed like okay, like thoda as I said, confidence we have to gain in our life, just have to make our inner peace feels like we are doing great in our life. Because just following the same schedule since days, just making yourself to just study like what, or just just forcing yourself to just study, it just stuck everyone's mind, so it did mine also. And just after having that one conversation, I after just indulging in that one meeting, after just being a part of that meeting, I don't know why, just I have filled with a little of confidence, a little of self esteem, and a little of, the, and a little of what that word is, whatever we like, and a little of that thing that, okay, there would be many of the opportunities in our life, right? There would be various roads in our life. Like we have to just learn to just accept the roads, and we have to just just keep moving on them. Because in that sense, now we will learn that we still hold something in ourselves, like to all these people, to all the person who have just lost their confidence in their life, like as I did. Cause like just don't think like you are the most worst person, right? You don't belong to this world, you don't belong to this society, no. like तुम्हें खुद नहीं पता होगा, लाइक जब तुम कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर जाओगे लाइफ में, एंड लाइक हर एक चीज़ ना कुछ अच्छे के लिए होती है। ये मैंने सुना था कहीं बहुत टाइम से। तो इट सीम लाइक कि मे बी थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग राइट नाउ डेज, मे बी we are not feeling right nowadays, maybe we have survived something, maybe our heart is still, it's not fully out from that one thing. But what we have to do now is just just gain ourselves, just make ourselves that stronger again, just to just tell ourselves every day that yes, you are enough for yourself. You don't have to be enough for society, you don't have to be enough for the people who knows you, right? Who knows you. You have to be okay with everything you are having in your life, and just keep pushing yourself further, because no one will going to do that for you. Like I have not copied the code, that just came into my mind right now. So that is it. Keep growing, keep growing further, keep telling yourself good things, and just start loving yourself up to a tiny limit. Like I won't say up to the utmost limit or up to the the बहुत बड़ा वाला कुछ नहीं. थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टार्ट करो, होगा. जैसे मैं भी कर ही रही हूँ. Why I post on YouTube, right? Because I feel like कि if I'm talking to this camera, so why I'm talking to this camera? And yes, I would simply delete this video from my phone because I don't want someone to just someone who knows me just to just to check the phone and just to react to this video and just afterwards tell me that Arey, what is happening. I just don't want that. So in that aspect, I generally shoot the video and I just post it on YouTube. And in my very first video, I've received a story through an Gmail, and thank you for that person again. Like it really felt so relatable. And after that also, the I got the story. I've got a little confidence in my life that like we started underestimating ourselves very often. Like we underestimate ourselves in everything we are doing. Like when they have asked me the first question, right, it was about that how you got to know about that project or something. Like what are the things like that eventually lead you to make that project, right? It was my project. The whole idea was mine, the situation I had faced in my life. But still, I just stammer in the whole conversation. Like in that whole conversation of that first question they've asked me, I just started stammering, and I just left the whole meet. And you know why? Because I felt like I won't be able to make it. Like I won't be able to speak with the greatest people. Like yeah, see, they are elder than us, right? They have achieved a place in their life. They have achieved a position in their life. They are good at everything they are having at their life, right? So I was a little underconfident in front of them. Then I don't know what, I rejoined the whole meeting. I just gained strength from somewhere, and I just told myself, just you have to make it, do it. Just make it. Just just do it. That's it. So the purpose of my making this video is just to to tell you what happened with me today, and just to tell you that things will going to be okay. But first you have to be okay in yourself. So just keep loving yourself every day, small step, and just keep focusing on your goals. Just keep focusing on yourself and just push yourself. Just push yourself to the work you are just loving, and just delve yourself fully into the fully into the thing you really want to pursue in your respective life. So just go into this. Just make it happen. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by, because no one really did. You can share your stories with us at the failedus25 at the gmail.com. This is the failed eye.